Welcome to Bengali Sari and Punjabi House, Bangalore. When it comes to celebrating India's rich culture and heritage, Bengali Sari and Punjabi House in Bangalore offers an unrivaled shopping experience for both traditional and contemporary Indian attire. Whether you're looking to shop for yourself or for your family, the store is a one-stop destination for high-quality, elegant clothing, accessories, and more. Traditional Bengali saris, a tapestry of elegance. A highlight of the store is its stunning collection of Bengali saris, a symbol of timeless grace. These saris come in various types and fabrics, each offering a unique charm. The most popular varieties include Tant saris, known for their sheer texture, lightweight, and fine cotton finish. Tant saris are perfect for everyday wear. Available in a wide array of colors and patterns, they epitomize the simplicity and elegance of Bengali women. Baluchari saris, with intricate hand-woven designs depicting mythological stories, Baluchari saris are crafted with silk threads that add a luxurious touch to any occasion. Dhakai Jamdani, famous for their exquisite woven patterns, these saris are a testament to Bengal's rich weaving tradition. Lightweight and comfortable, they come in vibrant colors and are perfect for weddings or festive occasion. Cotton silk saris, offering an air of grandeur, these saris feature rich silk fabric and elaborate designs, often paired with golden or silver zari work. In addition to Bengali saris, the store also offers an assortment of Indian saris from various regions of the country. From the vibrant Kanjivaram saris of Tamil Nadu to the elegant Banarsi saris from Uttar Pradesh, there's something for every taste and occasion. Whether you need a sari for a wedding, festival, or a formal gathering, you'll find an extensive variety at Bengali Sari and Punjabi House, Bangalore. Comfortable yet stylish casual wear. For everyday wear, Bengali Sari and Punjabi House provides a wide variety of casual outfits for men, women, and children. You'll find times, T-shirts and kurtis, a comfortable selection of cotton and linen kurtis and T-shirts suitable for casual outings and relaxed gatherings. Times, pajamas and pajama sets. The store also offers a vast selection of men's and kids' pajamas, perfect for lounging or casual wear at home. Blouses, petticoats, and accessories. No sari is complete without its accompanying blouse and petticoat. The store offers a variety of blouses in different styles, including traditional designs and modern cuts to complement saris, whether you prefer a fitted blouse or something more elaborate with embroidery or sequins. Petticoats are available in various fabrics and styles to enhance the draping of your sari, providing that perfect finish. Bags. No outfit is complete without the perfect accessories. At Bengali Sari and Punjabi House, you'll find an extensive selection of traditional Indian ornaments. Our collection includes everything from statement necklaces, earrings, and bangles to headpieces and anklets. The store also offers a curated collection of handbags and clutches, available in various sizes and materials. These bags are perfect for complementing both casual and formal outfits, making them versatile accessories for all occasions. Beauty and cosmetic items. Looking your best is made easy at our diverse range of cosmetic products. From skincare to makeup, the store stocks products from popular brands, helping you find everything you need for that perfect look to match your attire. Fashion for all ages and all occasions. Whether you are shopping for ladies, gents, or kids, this store offers something for everyone. From formal attire for special occasion to casual wear for everyday comfort, the collection is vast and diverse, ensuring that everyone in the family finds something that suits their style. A warm invitation to visit. Whether you're in search of the perfect Bengali sari, a traditional Punjabi outfit, or a fashionable ensemble for your next event, then Bengali Sari and Punjabi House, Bangalore is the place to be. We invite you to visit our store with your family and friends to explore the best of Indian clothing and accessories. Experience the vibrancy and beauty of Indian fashion under one roof and leave with something special that reflects India's diverse and colorful culture. Visit us today at Bengali Sari and Punjabi House, Bangalore, and embark on a beautiful shopping journey.